With this video, I want to introduce the next bunch of videos in a few sections that are coming up in the course, and they're going to focus on ads and retargeting ads.
This video is brought to you by EpiPie's Academy.
And by the way, running ads, it's totally optional, but these are not ads to run cold traffic. These are mostly ads to run retargeting ads, because when people come, like when you get your influencers to promote your business, the traffic might come to your website, but they leave. A lot of them leave and don't buy. So we need to get them back. And there's only 3 ways to get them back. The first is if they subscribe to your email. The second one is if they follow you on social media accounts, then you can reach them again with your social media promotions. And the third one is retargeting ads. If you're not familiar with retargeting ads, I'm sure you've seen them around the web. These are ads that basically, like, let's say you go to Amazon or some other website and you leave Amazon, and then you go to Google or Facebook, and all of a sudden you see that Amazon product you clicked on, the ad for that is following you around the web. These are called retargeting ads. They are usually cheaper and they are very effective for conversion because these are already warm leads. These people already know about you. They've been to your site or they've been to your product. So it's actually usually a high priority to run these kinds of ads. So in the next bunch of videos, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you from A to Z how to set up your basic Facebook ads. And after that, I'm going to show you how to set up your Facebook retargeting ads. And then I'm going to show you how to do basic Google ads. And then I'm going to show you how to do Google retargeting ads. Now, this is not going to be advanced ads because ads, they can go really advanced. But essentially, what you will be able to do by the end of these videos is run your own Facebook and Google retargeting ads. That's the goal, because we're going to try to get the people who came to your site from your influencer marketing, we're going to try to get them back in case they didn't buy. And again, it's totally optional because I know it's going to cost you extra money to run ads, so you don't have to do it, but it's a good idea to do it.